Do you like what you see? Do you want more? Want to support the channel, be part of our crew, and enjoy some seriously awesome perks whilst doing it? Well, buckle up, because here's the lowdown. For just $1.49 Australian per month, you become a mate. That's right, you get a loyalty badge that makes you stand out of the crowd. You get early access to all our future videos, your name immortalized in the description section, and priority replies to all your comments. But hold up, it gets better. For $6.99, you level up to Bro. Your name will be written in blood at the end of every video. Plus, you get to shape the show by participating in members-only polls and hang out in the exclusive Bros-Only live chat. Feeling extra fancy? Become a Mega Bro for $19.99. Connect with us on social media for live updates and behind-the-scenes photos, enjoy discounts on merch, and see your name in shining gold on special slot CraftMaster gear because you deserve it. Still not enough? For $59.99, you can become a Super Mega Bro. Get free templates of our builds, troubleshooting help, join our exclusive Super Bro live streams, and even design your own custom merch. And if you're really serious about being the ultimate fan, for $149.99, you'll be my man.
My man!
Enjoy free merch every month and get featured in one of our videos. Yes, you heard that right, so what are you waiting for? Hit that join button under this video, pick your membership level, and join our crew today.